Okay guys, very simply, just wash your spinach. I've decided to use silver beet plus English spinach. Traditionally we use English spinach, but there's nothing wrong with combining the two. Wash them and chop them roughly. To prepare your kafta, and I've added extra tabli from the kibbe which I had from before. So that's going to make it nice and tasty. Not like the usual kafta, I might say, but it's one worth trying out. Fry the kafta. Doesn't matter what shape you make it. This is just nice and quick and easy for me. I'm going to dry fry them. You can grill them, no problem. And then cut them up. But these are going to be no ordinary kafta, I'm telling you. I can smell the basil, the mint, the onion, the capsicum, all of it. It's good. Guys, but naturally the roots go in the recycling, in the compost heap. And this is the spinach. This will really melt down, so there's no need for you to do it fine. Just like that is good enough. Very simple, quick and easy meal. Very healthy as well. And very tasty. Caught on camera. What are you doing?
I can't help it but try some. This smells amazing.
Isn't that like the average kafta? What is that? Honestly guys, try our kafta and then you'll be converted. No more usual kafta with onion and parsley.
No way.
You do your kibbe teble and capsicum and see what I mean. So now these are cooking, they're dry frying. Naturally I'm going to be cleaning the pot, get rid of all the grease that's there. Then I'm going to add the spinach and a bit more flavours. And we're going to serve it with rice.
Oh yeah.
And we're going to fry some pine nuts to put scatter on top.
Oh wow.
Alright guys. And you can flavour it with either lemon juice or pomegranate molasses. So you take your pick. Guys, last one. Cooked. But look what I've got left in here. What a beauty. But not good for us. This is going to get chucked out.
Ooh.
But I'm going to use this saucepan to fry the onion. But first I'm going to clean it up. This is a great way to clean up the saucepan. This nice flat-edged wooden spoon. Nice and strong. And will not scratch my saucepan. Look how it's coming out easily. This we certainly don't need. And it's not going to affect the overall flavour of our dish. Our dish will still taste amazing without the fat. Now with this, you definitely cannot put it down the drain. It will clog it up. So pour it into a jar or a ceramic container like this. And when it's cold, you can put it in the bin, in the red bin for garbage. Okay guys, now we're lightly frying some onion till they're nice and golden. And then we're going to add something for crunch. Here I've got some pine nuts. Any brand will do as long as they're nice and fresh. And I've got some almonds. Okay, so I'm going to be frying them next before the next step. Nice and golden. Okay guys, now we're going to chop these up. Alright, so we fried the onions, lightly fried the kernels, pine nuts and almonds. And this is the meat that's already been cooked. It's seasoned kafta, my way. put it together. And we've got 2 types of spinach here, washed again and again and again, roughly chopped. We're going to mix it in. We need to add extra salt. Pepper, it's black.
White pepper?
Yep, absolutely white. Molasses is nice, but of course you can add lemon juice if you don't like molasses, pomegranate molasses. But this is really nice. It's nice, fruity and sour at the same time. You can get this from many chain stores, Fleming's, IGA, Aldi, these grocery shops. Add some water, about 3 cups altogether, but start off with 1. We'll let this cook before we need to add some more.
Look at that steam.
Alright, let's see. Let's check out what's happening. Oh wow, look at this. The onions caramelized. It's making a beautiful stock for a base for the kafta and the spinach to cook in. I've only added 1 cup of water, but I'll add a bit more. You don't have to, of course. So altogether, between 2 and 3 cups of water. We can let it cook and then we'll taste it. We're going to be serving it naturally with fried rice, and you know in our tradition we love fried egg noodles. So we're going to fry fried egg noodles, then we're going to stick with rice.